For the men and women of the Detroit Fire Department, safety on the road is just as important as safety on a call. Every time one of our firefighters, EMTs, or medics gets behind the wheel, they face the risk of collisions on the way to the fire or to the medical call. That danger is real, not only for our crews, but also for the drivers who may not see or hear us until it's too late. Through the pilot program we ran over the past year, we saw firsthand how HAAS Alert's Safety Cloud works in real time to reduce that risk.
When I went before City Council, one of the questions that was asked is, what will you do to prevent accidents? And I actually mentioned HAAS Alert by name because I know that this will save lives and allow our officers to respond in the best possible way.
And then every day our firefighters and first responders, they answer the call. They face risks that most of us never consider. They run towards danger. When the fire is there, they run to the fire. When the gunshots ring out, they drive towards that. And so by having these live alerts, we, in your direct apps and in your in-car systems, drivers gain the time they need to move aside safely. This technology represents a generational investment, strengthening our neighborhoods today while also building the foundation of security, stability, and opportunity that our children and grandchildren deserve to inherit as their birthright right here in Detroit.